Welcome back, guys, to our channel Save Wildlife. Today we are taking about in this video nature wildlife beauty. In nature's untamed domains, wildlife embodies a profound beauty, resonating with the primal rhythms of the earth. Picture lions silently moving through grasslands, exotic birds painting the rainforest with vibrant hues, and the delicate ballet of butterflies. The beauty extends beyond majestic creatures to the intricate interdependence of ecosystems, from bubbling brooks teeming with life to the nocturnal wonders of owls and prowling jaguars. Whether in the dew-covered meadow at dawn or the savanna bathed in golden sunlight, wildlife's intrinsic beauty is a testament to the interconnected dance of life on our planet. Preserving this beauty, we embrace our role as stewards of an awe-inspiring tapestry.
Wild animal suffering is the suffering experienced by non-human animals living outside of direct human control, due to harms such as disease, injury, parasitism, starvation and malnutrition, dehydration, weather conditions, natural disasters, and killings by other animals, as well as psychological stress. Some estimates indicate that these individual animals make up the vast majority of animals in existence. An extensive amount of natural suffering has been described as an unavoidable consequence of Darwinian evolution and the pervasiveness of reproductive strategies, which favor producing large numbers of offspring, with a low amount of parental care and of which only a small number survive to adulthood, the rest dying in painful ways, has led some to argue that suffering dominates happiness in nature. The topic has historically been discussed in the context of the philosophy of religion as an instance of the problem of evil. More recently, starting in the 19th century, a number of writers have considered the subject from a secular standpoint as a general moral issue that humans might be able to take actions toward preventing. There is considerable disagreement around taking such actions, as many believe that human interventions in nature, for this reason, should not take place because of practicality, valuing ecological preservation over the well-being and interests of individual animals, considering any obligation to reduce wild animal suffering implied by animal rights to be absurd, or viewing nature as an idyllic place where happiness is widespread. Some have argued that such interventions would be an example of human hubris, or playing God, and use examples of how human interventions, for other reasons, have unintentionally caused harm. Others, including animal rights writers, have defended variants of a laissez-faire position, which argues that humans should not harm wild animals, but that humans should not intervene to reduce natural harms that they experience.
Venture into the rainforest, a living canvas of kaleidoscopic hues. Exotic birds paint the air, and the beauty of wildlife is revealed not just in majestic elephants or soaring eagles, but in the delicate ballet of butterflies and the stealthy prowl of a leopard through the shadows.
In the grand tapestry of existence, the nature of beauty unfolds as a captivating symphony, played by the elements and orchestrated by the cosmos. Picture a mountain range, majestic and stoic, standing as a testament to the timeless elegance of geological forces. Each crevice and peak, sculpted by millennia, becomes a canvas for the interplay of light and shadow, the contours of the land telling a story of resilience and transformation. Beauty emerges not only in the grandeur of such landscapes, but also in the minutiae, the fragile intricacy of a spider's web glistening with morning dew, or the dance of fireflies illuminating a balmy summer night. As the sun dips below the horizon, surrendering the sky to a canvas of stars, a celestial ballet unfolds. The cosmos, with its galaxies and constellations, becomes a celestial poem, an ode to the vastness of the universe. In the contemplative silence of the night, beauty is found in the cosmic dance, echoing the mysteries that stretch beyond our comprehension. Venture into the heart of a bustling metropolis, and a different facet of beauty emerges. Amidst the concrete and steel, human creativity shapes the urban landscape. Skyscrapers become modern monoliths, and city lights transform the night into a dazzling panorama. Yet, beauty isn't solely architectural, it's the rhythm of life pulsating through crowded streets, the convergence of diverse cultures, and the shared stories etched into the cityscape. Journey into the realm of human expression, where artists wield their brushes, musicians pluck strings, and writers craft prose. Here, beauty becomes a language of emotions, a kaleidoscope of colors on a canvas, the harmony of notes in a melody, or the evocative power of words on a page. In the act of creation, beauty transcends the tangible, it becomes a portal to the soul, a bridge between the artist and the beholder. Yet, the essence of beauty is not confined to the external world or human creation alone. It resonates deep within the human spirit, manifesting in acts of kindness, compassion, and empathy. The beauty of the human experience is found in the bonds forged with others, the resilience displayed in times of adversity, and the capacity to find joy in simple, fleeting moments. In the grand tapestry of existence, beauty is a multifaceted gem, revealing its brilliance in the natural world, human creativity, and the shared experiences that define our journey. It invites us to explore, appreciate, and celebrate the diverse expressions that collectively weave the narrative of life's exquisite, ever-unfolding masterpiece. Nature is the realm of living plants and animals, and the processes associated with inanimate objects. Wildlife is a term for undomesticated animal species, but it can also refer to any organism that grows or lives wild in an area without being introduced by humans. Wildlife trade refers to the products that are derived from non-domesticated animals or plants usually extracted from their natural environment or raised under controlled conditions. It can involve the trade of living or dead individuals, tissues such as skins, bones, or meat, or other products. Legal wildlife trade is regulated by the United Nations Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, which currently has 184 member countries called parties. Illegal wildlife trade is widespread and constitutes one of the major illegal economic activities, comparable to the traffic of drugs and weapons. Wildlife trade is a serious conservation problem, has a negative effect on the viability of many wildlife populations, and is one of the major threats to the survival of vertebrate species. The illegal wildlife trade has been linked to the emergence and spread of new infectious diseases in humans, including emergent viruses. Global initiative like the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 15 have a target to end the illegal supply of wildlife. Wildlife refers to undomesticated animal species, but has come to include all organisms that grow or live wild in an area without being introduced by humans. Wildlife was also synonymous to game, those birds and mammals that were hunted for sport. Wildlife can be found in all ecosystems. Deserts, plains, grasslands, woodlands, forests, and other areas, including the most developed urban areas, all have distinct forms of wildlife. While the term in popular culture usually refers to animals that are untouched by human factors, most scientists agree that much wildlife is affected by human activities. Some wildlife threaten human safety, health, property, and quality of life. However, many wild animals, even the dangerous ones, have value to human beings. This value might be economic, educational, or emotional in nature. Humans have historically tended to separate civilization from wildlife in a number of ways, including the legal, social, and moral senses. Some animals, however, have adapted to suburban environments. This includes such animals as feral cats, dogs, mice, and rats. Some Some religions declare certain animals to be sacred, and in modern times, concern for the natural environment has provoked activists to protest against the exploitation of wildlife for human benefit or entertainment. Global wildlife populations have decreased by 68% since 1970 as a result of human activity, particularly overconsumption, population growth, and intensive farming, according to a 2020 World Wildlife Fund's Living Planet report and the Zoological Society of London's Living Planet Index measure, which is further evidence that humans have unleashed a sixth mass extinction event. 3. 4. According to sites, it has been estimated that annually the international wildlife trade amounts to billions of dollars and it affects hundreds of millions of animal and plant specimens.